Okay, well, as you can see, we are taking back right where we left off. And sorry for the technical difficulty. She's a new person. I already know how to control it. Well, go on.
Yeah, it's not that I can't control cameras, but anyway, this is our second webcast.
Oh, God, the video's on it.
This is our second webcast, and I'm on the monkey bars, and I will teach you guys all that don't have.
Oh, wait, no.
Go through a monkey bar.
Yeah, not me.
I'm going to teach you guys how to swing off of it and go on the monkey bars.
Yeah.
You just have to pay attention to us. So, hold on.
Cool
First,
cell phone.
if you can, you have
No.
to go here. Then, if you can, just go in the hole as you see here.
Yeah.
Put your feet maybe like over there. Go in, and you're upside down. Let's say you can't get up. Your hands up.
Digi Dynamite.
See? And swing. And look, swing. This is how you swing. Just swing yourself to the ball. Swing.
Remember my memory. We're out.